Hi and welcome to today's topic, which is cornering, and specifically 1 foot down versus equally weighted cornering. When I choose a specific technique to teach, it's not about right or wrong, but it's about which technique has the most advantages for my clients. So which technique is the best for you? And one of the techniques I have chosen is equally weighted versus 1 foot down. And now I will tell you why. The first advantage of equally weighted feet in corners is that you can perform it in every speed and in every corner. If you have 1 foot down, then you might clip a pedal if, for example, there's a step in the corner. Or if you're going very slow, then you're actually kind of tilting to the outside of the corner. But if you have your feet equally weighted, then you can use this technique at all speeds and all kind of corners. So that is advantage number one. Advantage number two is that it is much easier to keep your balance over your feet. It is very hard to stand just on one leg, but if you're balanced on both feet and that all the time, then you're easily balanced in your bike, so you have ideal pressure control on your front and rear wheel. Advantage number three of equally weighted pedals is that they will automatically float a little bit as soon as you increase the lean. However, if you drop 1 foot, then you're actually working against the bike, because the foot you drop makes the bike wanting to upright itself. So you're actually working against the bike when you drop one pedal. Advantage number four of equally weighted pedals is that it's much easier to learn. Cornering is quite a difficult thing to perfect. And if you're also concentrating on dropping the foot, then it's always like, which foot do I have to drop? Where does my arm go? Where do I look? It's a lot of things at once. But if you're concentrating on equally weighted, then you can concentrate much better on all the different parts that make up safe and efficient cornering. As a full-time coach with over a decade of experience, I've experienced that most people only and mostly focus on dropping the foot, so they don't even get to all the other parts that make up efficient cornering. So evenly weighted, and then you can concentrate on the rest and you will feel so much more safer. Advantage number five is that if you have quick changes, so you have a left and a right and a left and a right, if you're dropping 1 foot, then it gets kind of messy. So it's much easier just to stay equally weighted and to let the bike work beneath you. These are my top 5 reasons why evenly weighted pedals will improve your cornering skills immensely. And another bonus tip is that if one day you want to be able to do endo turns, so right around the corner on your front wheel, then you will only achieve this if you're fine with equally weighted cornering. No way you'll get there with 1 pedal down. If you would like to learn evenly weighted cornering and become so much safer on your bike, then book a coaching with me. I would love to teach you. Thank you for watching my video today, and hope to see you again for my next one. Bye.